guys, what is up? It's your boy Chord back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing Lost Cause. In this tutorial though, I am going to give you a detailed breakdown of the song. So I'm going to show you the bass as they played it on the song and how to play it on acoustic guitar, and I'm going to show you the basic chords to play that if you're a beginner player, so stay tuned for that. First things first, I'm going to show you guys the chords, okay? For those of you that just want to learn the chords and play it on acoustic. I did do a tutorial though, the easy chords version. It's in my description if you need to watch that. Yeah. So the first chord is an A minor. Sorry, that was a... A minor to G. And then you go to F. And then you have E major, right? So you go A, and then G, F, E. Right. So the first time, this is now the bass tutorial. The first chord, since it's A minor, and the bass for A minor is the 5th string open. So you're gonna play open, right? So that's 5, 6, 5. Sorry, 5, and then 6, 5. Hold on, let me play the song so that I know I'm giving you guys the right chords. So we have, all right. So you have A minor, and then G, and then F, E minor, E major, right? So we have, you're gonna play A, and then go, right? So that's 5, 6, 5, and then you play, this is open to 2nd fret of your 4th string. So you have 5, so 5, 6, 5, and then hammer on, and then you go to G and play 6, and then again 6, 5, and then this time you're hammering off from the 2nd fret, and then you go to F, and then again. Okay, so this time you're gonna do that while holding your 1st fret. F is the 1st fret of the 6th string, so you have 6, and then 6, 5, and then again, right, hammering onto 2nd fret of your 4th string, and then we go to E. All right, so let me break that down for you. So you have 5, right, that's A minor, G, that's 6th string, and then you have F, that's 1st fret of your 6th string, and then you have E major, that's open 6th string, right? So A minor, 5th string open, and then G, 3rd fret, 6th string, and then F, 1st fret of the 6th string, and then E major, open E string. So you have A, 6, so you have A, 6, 5, and then hammer on, and then you go to G, 6, 5, hammer off, F, 6, 5, hammer on, and then this time you go E major, and then for E major you're playing, you have that hammer off from 2nd fret, and then you come to 3rd fret of the 2nd string, right? So that's gonna be hammer off, hammer off, slide from 3 to 2 on your 5th string. So hammer off, and then A, okay? So you have so A, 6, 5, hammer off, sorry, A, 6, 5, hammer on, G, 6, 5, hammer off, F, 6, 5, hammer on, and then E, and then do the hammer off and slide. Okay? Something's in the if you want it to sound very natural or like the song itself, so you're playing A minor as the bar chord, which is on fret number 5, right, relative to the capo. And then this is G, the bar chord, on 3rd fret, and then you have F. So G and F are the same shape, it's just that G is on the 3rd fret, F is on the 1st fret. A minor is on the 5th fret, and it's not exactly like an F shape. You just have to remove the 3rd finger, the middle finger, to make it sound like this. And then you go to E, okay? So my strumming pattern here is down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, up, down, down. But I'm muting, right? Now if you merge that with the riff that I just showed you, sorry. Sorry. Why do I keep missing the strings? Gosh. A minor, and then G, F, okay? So that is basically the whole song, because the chords are the same for the verse, the chorus, basically everything. And if you want to learn how to do that string is way out of tune. There we go. Right, if you want to learn how to do that, you can check out my other video where I did the easy version of the song plus fingerstyle. But yeah, that's basically it for the song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.